So guys, once you're seeing this little warning sign, it's time to change your keyless remote battery. In this video today, I will be showing you step by step how you can change your battery, which battery you need to buy, and I'll also leave links for the same. So let's jump right into it, guys. So guys, I will be changing these two batteries today, right? So we're going to be starting with this key. So the first thing you want to do is press the setup button here that takes out this, right? So we're all out. So here you have a little bigger part and the narrow part. What you want to do is turn your key like this and then put it in the narrow part of the key, right? Hope you can see. And then you apply some pressure on it and then cracks open, right? It will be partially open like this, so you can use your hand to open it. If it's too tight for you, then you use the key to go around in the groove. Now this number here on the battery is very important, the CR2032. So that is the type of battery you want to look for on Amazon whenever you are changing your battery. So here I have 4 of them. I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video. So you can easily take your finger and take out the battery. And I'm just going to rip this open, right? Nothing fancy. And I'm just going to take it out like a tablet. Very tight, right? So still giving me a little challenge. It's actually in a plastic, so what I'm going to do is use a little pin to open it, right? So tight. Best if you have a scissors, you use the scissors to open it. So basically the key wasn't working out, so I had to went ahead and get a knife to open it. The tough guys. Now I can pop out my battery like a little tablet. If you forget which side to go up, ensure that when you put in your battery, this is the writing that you want to see on your battery. So this will ensure that you're putting in the battery in the correct order, right? So we're just going to stick it in here. Just like that. We're all set. Then we're going to cover our key again. So just get this, put it over like this, and press it down. Done. Just like that, we're all set. So now I'm just gonna stick in my key here, and this is all good to go now. So let's do the second battery. So for the second one, it's a little bit different. I'm gonna slide this little groove thing at the back up, right? And you hear that clack sound. Open it, and here we have 2 batteries. And the number on the batteries are the same, just like the first one. So you can use your finger and take them out. So they're all out now. And again, I'm going to go through this little process using a knife. So taking the time, almost there. Whenever you're putting in this one, you want to slide it from an angle, and then so it goes under these 2 little things here, like that. And then it's going to grab the other one. So this one came out the easiest, guys. Again, you want to put it under the little grooves, and that's it. So when you put it in, they have a little tilt up, right? So that's pretty okay. Ensure that you put in these 2 parts first. Stick it in like this. Then you press down the back, and then you push this up to lock. That's it.